Think you're crushing your push-ups? Think again. Most people are wrecking their shoulders, wrists, and even their gains without realizing it. And here's the crazy part, you might be one of them. Quick cut to a dramatic slow-motion clip of someone doing a sloppy push-up, elbows flaring, hips sagging. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix your form, unlock real strength, and finally get the results you deserve. Part 1. 0:15 to 1:30, the problem and common mistakes. Trainer kneels down, speaking directly to the viewer. Push-ups are one of the most foundational exercises ever. No equipment, just you and the floor. But here's the truth, the way most people do them? It's like building a house on a weak foundation. Sooner or later, it collapses. Show visual examples of wrong form. Elbows flaring out like chicken wings. Hips sagging toward the ground. Neck craning up like a turtle. Hands way too far forward or too close together. Trainer. These mistakes don't just make your push-ups less effective. They steal your strength and put your shoulders, elbows, and lower back at risk. Quick cut to animated muscles highlighting shoulder joint stress. Think of your shoulder joint like a hinge. If you keep banging it at the wrong angle, it's only a matter of time before something snaps. Part 2. 1:30 to 2:45, hinting at the fix. Trainer moves into a push-up position but pauses halfway. Here's the thing, perfect push-ups aren't about raw strength, they're about alignment. Rhetorical question to viewer. Ever tried pushing a heavy door while standing sideways? Feels awkward, right? That's exactly what you're doing to your body with bad push-up form. Trainer. When you lock in your body like one solid unit, suddenly the movement becomes smooth, safe, and powerful. Close-up of hands and feet placement without full explanation yet. Your hands, core, and even your toes need to work together, but I'll show you how in a minute. Part 3. 2:45 to 4:30, step-by-step perfect push-up. Trainer now fully demonstrates slowly and clearly. Step 1. Hand position. Start with your hands slightly wider than your shoulders. Imagine you're trying to screw your palms into the floor. This activates your chest and protects your shoulders. Wrong versus right visual. Wrong. Hands too far forward. Right. Hands directly under the shoulders, elbows angled at about 45 degrees. Step 2. Core and spine. Your core is the foundation of a skyscraper. If it collapses, everything above it falls apart. Demonstration. Wrong. Hips sagging or sticking up high. Right. Body forming a straight line from head to heels. Engage your abs like someone's about to punch you in the stomach. Tight and solid. Step 3. Neck and head. Stop craning your neck like a curious turtle. Look about 6 inches ahead of your hands, keeping your spine neutral. Step 4. Controlled descent. Lower yourself slowly, chest first, elbows tucked at a 45-degree angle. Your chest, not your stomach, should kiss the ground. Step 5. The push. Now push the ground away like you're trying to launch yourself up, keeping everything tight. Think about moving the earth beneath you, not just lifting your body. Part 4. 4:30 to 5:30, advanced tweaks and light bulb moments. Trainer leans toward camera with energy. Once you've mastered the basics, here's how to take it to the next level. Squeeze your glutes. It locks your hips in place. Spread your fingers wide. Gives you more stability and power. Breathing matters. Inhale as you go down. Exhale as you push up. Think control, not speed. Mini light bulb moment. This isn't just an arm exercise. It's a full body movement. Your legs, your core, even your breath all working together. Part 5. 5:30 to 6 o'clock, challenge plus closing. Trainer stands, looking directly at the viewer. Here's your challenge. Drop down right now and give me 10 perfect push-ups using what you just learned. Focus on control, alignment, and power. Pause briefly for dramatic effect. You'll feel the difference instantly, and your shoulders and core will thank you later. Motivational closing. Master this one movement, and you're not just doing a push-up, you're building the foundation for every other exercise in your journey. Final line. Stay consistent, stay focused, and I promise, your future self will thank you. Now go crush those push-ups.